Hi everyone. Anti-Maritime Piracy Bill of 2019 is there in the Parliament now. It was early introduced in the year 2019. At that time, it was sent to Parliamentary Committee. Now it is again in the Parliament. The main aim of this bill is to bring the UN Convention on the Law of the Sea into domestic law in order to take action against the piracy on the high sea. UN Convention on the Law of the Sea, or we will say it as UNCLOS in short. It was set up in the year 1982. This is an international agreement, and India ratified this international agreement in the year 1995. So, based on UNCLOS, ocean has been divided into many, like territorial, sea, contiguous zone, exclusive economic zone, high sea. A country will be having its control over only up to exclusive economic zone. Up to this area, country can mine or can use the resources up to this area. Okay. So territorial sea is only up to 12 nautical mile. Contiguous zone is up to 24 nautical mile. Then exclusive economic zone is up to 200 nautical mile. And after that, it is high sea, and in the high sea, each and every country will be having equal freedom and power. So if any kind of crime is happening in the high sea, in order to deal with that kind of crimes, we have UNCLOS, and based on UNCLOS direction, each country who have ratified this UNCLOS can frame legal framework. Okay, even though India ratified this UNCLOS in the year 1995, we didn't frame any legal or any laws till now, but at present we are also going to frame. That is why they have introduced this anti-piracy bill in the parliament. Okay. So in the bill, we can say that this bill will be applicable only applicable greater than 200 nautical mile. Usually what happens is, if there is any crime happening in the sea, we will not be able to use IPC or Indian Penal Code, as there is no provision for punishment using IPC at present. So usually there is no chance of such kind of crimes getting punished. Okay, so at present we have designed laws accordingly, and we will be able to punish or take action against any kind of piracy which is taking place after 200 nautical mile. So punishment is like, in case of death, we can give life or death penalty, and also in case of attempt of piracy and somebody is directing some pirates to participate in the piracy, in that case lifetime can be given. Lifetime means 14-year jail. Then there is also provision for the extradition. Extradition means sending a person out of the country, okay, forcefully. So if any country has signed extradition treaty with India, and that country's citizen is involved in this crime, then India can extradite that person to his country. Okay, that clause is also here. And another point is for the seizure of the vessel. If a crime is happened in the high sea and there is an involvement of vessels in that crime, we can seize that vessel also, or big containers and ships. Okay, so vessels can also be seized during the trial. Okay, so these points are there in the bill. This is mainly for dealing with all the crimes, to deal with all the crimes happening in the high sea. Okay, so this is all about anti-piracy bill 2019. So that's all. Thank you.